Hi friends, hey, it's Andrew here once again with another review and update on the My Lead Gen Secret case study with Clickbank. Just before we get started, I would like to invite you to check out the link below. You can get access to the Grow Rich Mastermind collection, which is a powerful tool that I have found that helps whether you want to better your health, have a better relationship, or grow your income. I think mindset and focus, staying focused, and things like that. And a lot of this stuff is developed through principles, heart-centered principles that we can learn through books and those that have gone before us, obviously. And so this mindset collection is also you can access, and this is all for free. If you go to the link below, you'll go to this website, you'll sign up, and then you'll be introduced to a friend of mine, well, increasing friend of mine and millionaire and debt-free millionaire and big mentor of mine who has an enormous amount of knowledge and information. And I'm currently going through one of his courses that learning to invest in things like that, but has a great story from rags to riches. And you'll get introduced to him, but you'll get access mainly to a call that they do every day with millionaires, basically teaching us what they've done, how they think, and you get to learn all that for free and get access to the live call and or the replay if you can't make it to the live call. So I would like to encourage you to go ahead and click that link below if you have that kind of mindset and you want to keep learning every day and pour in some good value within your mind and emotions and create a good vibe throughout your day. I know it's helped me a lot. I've used these principles over the years. Recently I've quit smoking. It's bettered my relationships. I'm now building an online business. So it definitely helps to do whatever you can to be disciplined and move forward with a positive mindset. Okay, so I got 2 more sales since the last video. Hey, I just wanted to pop in here real quick because I kind of forgot to address the fact that if you're here for the first time and you have no idea what we're talking about and what we're doing here, this is affiliate marketing using the My Lead Gen Secret, and I'm going to put a training video up here in the corner. You got a link that you can go to, and I have like 2 or 3 training videos. They're a little bit older, so things have changed since I started that, but it'll give you the whole bulk of how it works and how you can do it and get started at it. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know about that. Let's get back to the video. And let's go check this one out. This came from my number 4 account, and this was on the 17th of April. So I'm going to go grab that email. We'll take a look at it real quick and see what that was all about. We also had some sales within the My Lead Gen Secret program itself. So for those that don't know, I am using My Lead Gen Secret to promote a Clickbank offer, which is affiliate marketing, and then also within My Lead Gen Secret is an affiliate program. So I'm also promoting that in my signature, and I've been getting some sales on it, and I'm almost to the point that basically if you've got 5 accounts, all right, this is where I'm at. I have 5 My Lead Gen Secret accounts stacked together as I am my own affiliate referral. I referred myself through 4 of those accounts. So I have that, and then I've added 5 other referrals, so I'm up to 9 total. So if I had 10, if you think about it, you get about $15 per month when you stack it like that for each affiliate. So with 10 affiliates, that's going to be that will cover the cost of the system itself, right? So then anything that I make on the Clickbank is just profit. So that's kind of the goal right now. That's where I'm headed. So I'm at 9, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully within the next couple of weeks or so, maybe I'll get another one. and that'll be great. So that'll be a goal that I'm trying to achieve. So I'll kind of show you a little bit of that. So let's get into the email first too. Let's go back over here and so April 17th here. Take a look at this email right here. All right, so April 17th. Let's go. I'm gonna go check this just to make sure this was it. What's that say? Make money trying out new apps. Yeah, so this is it. This is the email here. Pull up a preview of that. That was the first one. I got a regular sale and an upsell off of this one. This is the make money trying out new apps. I don't know if you want to copy this down. I used to do that with some of the other people doing these reviews. I could copy the email so we know that this email was a winner. Right, then in this case, I just did a little PS line. I've been changing my PS line for the mileage and secret. I just said copy and paste passive income for only $1 per day. Free video shows you how. Okay, I didn't necessarily get a sale off of that one, but I'm just saying in this email, that's what I did there. And then, yeah, so that's pretty much it. That was the email that got a sale and then an upsell on the 17th. All right, and then let's go to the next one, which was Sunday, and this guy looks like it was just a sale, straight sale. It was on my number 5 account, and that was on the 22nd. Yes, that was the why not get paid to watch TikTok videos, which is a very popular one. I've gotten sales off of this email, and it's been rewritten different ways over time. Sometimes I get it in another version of it from the vendor, and I've talked about that many times. So if you sign up on Clickbank with the vendor, you'll get their emails, and they'll give you fresh email swipes. So I haven't seen any along that line recently, so this was an old email that I pulled out of my history, put it up there, and then sometimes I'll kind of rewrite it, freshen it up a little bit, and go ahead and send that out. So that's what got the sale here. In addition, I also put a little different signature on this one, as you can see. In addition to the above, learn how I'm getting 100 cumulative leads every day to market my products to without a website. Okay, so this is the signature link for the mileage and secret. And then here was the sale for the product. I believe this is social paid. This is where we got the sale from. Yeah, so this watch TikTok videos, this is definitely the page here, and that is a popular one. That email gets a lot of sales for whatever reason, so you might want to take note of that. So this is it. Why not get paid to watch TikTok videos? Of course, I customize this, rewrite it according to my own little thing, but the body of it is generally the same as what the vendor has put out. Sometimes I'll rewrite or restructure a line, sentence, or something like that, but pretty much keep it the same, and then I add, of course, like I've been saying, the signature there. So that is that one. That's what we got there. And real quick, I'll go take a look at my stats, and we'll kind of see where we're at. Okay, so here we are. Again, the overall loss deficit that I've been running, as I said in my last video, it's been running like a 300 to 500 deficit, because every month that I added cost, it would go back up, and so it would kind of stay in that range, and it stayed in that range for a long time until recently things have started to kick up more. And then plus I'll be adding more income. I'm only putting the income on here from the mileage and secret as I pay myself. So recently I did a payment, and then I just got this sale, so that's going to go against that deficit. So now I'm down to 211, including the most recent sale from the number 5 account. And I was just looking at that. I got about 6 sales. That number 5 account, I didn't get that till September of last year. And so basically, being a new account, that's pretty good. So I've gotten, so I've received about 1 sale a month on that. In comparison to my number 1 account, which only has 7 sales overall, and I got that over a year ago. So, just kind of depends to, just kind of show us, a little bit, like, depends on the list, how it performs. My number 3 account is a big winner, of course. I've got 18 sales on that one, and number 2 and the number 4, those seem to constantly come in with sales. So that's what it is. It is what it is, right? Whatever it takes, we're just going to keep plugging away. I've kind of liked this combo of promoting the Clickbank with the My Lead Gen Secret in the signature, because that's a reoccurring income, and I'll go take a look at some of that right now for you if I can. So let's see, I believe I'm on this is my number 1 account, so we can kind of get the whole breakdown here. I think it's the number 1 account. No, I'm sorry, this is the number. I'm going to go to my number one account, because the way this breaks down, you got 5 tiers with the My Lead Gen Secret. So you have your number 1 that you signed up account. Like if you were to go to my link below, sign up, that would be your first account. And then you'd use that affiliate link to sign up on your next one. So you refer yourself, right? Whoops, this is not. So that's what I've done here. So if you see each one of these number 1s, that's me. This first one has 2 on it because for a while I was promoting my number 1 account as an affiliate. So I did get a sign up on that. So I have 1 other affiliate besides myself on my first account. And then my second account is me, this third account's me, the fourth account's me. And then on my 5th account is where I've been promoting and receiving my other affiliates. Because once I did that, I started to receive the 200 leads per day. Because that's why we stack them. For those that don't know, My Lead Gen Secret will give you 100 leads per day. If you refer someone, have a referral, they'll give you a bonus 100 leads. They don't keep adding 100 leads. They'll just do it one time. So from then on, you'll start getting 200 leads per day. So that's that was one reason why I wanted to do the 5. Plus, this will tier up into my other accounts. So the payments will be, I'll get for each one of these on this number 1 account, I'll get $1. On my number 2 account, I'll get $2 for each one. On my number 3 account, I get $3. On my number 4 account, I get $4. And then on the number 5 account, I get the $5 commission for each one that signs up. And then if they get referrals, that tiers into my number 5 account as well. So kind of see, this is the commissions off of my number 1 account. I recently did a payment, so I've received a total of $222 just off of this account, which obviously is going to be the biggest one so far. So as time goes on and we keep adding the downline, obviously this is going to grow, and that is the whole point of it, right? To grow the income and free us up so that we can capture more profits on the Clickbank. Okay, that's pretty much it for our update today. I've got to get back at it and go to my other day job. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below. I'll talk to you again soon. Have a great day.